How to remove watermark on KineMaster. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Ben, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily remove watermark from KineMaster. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to remove the watermark, what you can do is, now first thing, if you save a particular video on KineMaster, it will save up with a particular watermark. Here I just have a sample video, so you can see I've saved a video here and you can see the watermark there. Now in order to remove the watermark, it's pretty simple. Simply head over to your Play Store and at the search bar you want to search in for video watermark remover. Then you can see this second app here, not the sponsored one, the first one, the non-sponsored one. You want to download this application and you want to open it up. Here you can go ahead and let it open it up. Now you don't need the premium here, so you can continue without the, so here you can see tap on remove watermark and it'll give you an ad. Now if you have premium it won't give you ad, but if you don't have premium, then you will need to go through the ad as well. Then select the particular video with watermark that you wish to remove. You can see all you have to do is tap and hold towards the watermark. So you want to select the watermark area, and once you select it, simply select the time that you wish to remove as well. So you can see here, select the whole video if you want to remove it from whole video. Then you can simply tap on export and you can go ahead and download it up to HD 720p. Now unfortunately you'll need Pro to download it on the particular 1080p. So you can see it'll take some time and then it'll show up ad, and once you do so the video will be saved. So you want to close the ad here first, and the videos should be saved to your gallery and the thumbnails will be removed. So you can see this is a different video, the 8-second one with the watermark, and the same video has been saved here without watermark. So this is how you can remove watermark on KineMaster. Hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.